Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A51 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to access voice recorder app. And before starting your recording, hit this microphone at the top right corner. Then select one of those options. Finally, to start recording, click on this blue button at the bottom. And if you never used recorder before, select Allow in all pop-ups. Then OK in Attention 1. And as you can see, after that, recording is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, use the same blue button. In order to add a bookmark, click on this flag on the left. And to add a photo one, click on Camera, also on the left. Now take a picture. And to discard it, click on this X on the right. To add it though, select check mark in the middle. Finally, if you wish to end and save your recording, hit Done at the bottom right corner. Then name it however you wish to. Finally, hit Save. As you can see, after that, my recording was successfully created. To access a recordings list, from main recorder screen, tap on those three lines at the top right corner, right next to the microphone. To play one of your recordings, click on it. If you want to delete it though, you need to hold it. Then tap on this pin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!